Creators, thank you very much for being part of this event. If you're as excited as I am, please let me hear you make some more noise. I knew you were going to do that. If you're here because you want to learn to make great content, let me hear you make some noise. Now, the next one, I know you're going to scream. If you want to be shown how to make some good money, let me hear you make some noise. Always works all the time. Now, it's going to be 3 days.
Hi, my name is Oscar Oyinsan, Master of Ceremonies, and I'm here as the main host for the 3 days YouTube for filmmakers. You're watching DBTV, and I just wanted to give a quick summary. Now, this whole event is put together by YouTube for filmmakers to see how you can leverage on YouTube. So we've talked about things like the use of analytics. We've talked about how you can maximize using the channels in terms of distribution. We've talked about collaboration and algorithm, how it kind of fishes out the type of content that it should push, and a whole lot more. We've talked about AI. It's been remarkable. We've had some interesting speakers as well, panel discussions, great questions asked by those who attended. Even though it's a small community in here as filmmakers, it's a testament to the future of filmmaking and how YouTube is helping to accelerate this. And not to talk of the fact that it's actually YouTube Africa Month. So they're celebrating creatives and content by Africans in Africa as well. So thanks. He's going to give you more highlights on this channel. You don't want to miss it. Till next time, peace out.